kickers. Oh, goodness. Are you doing big kickers and big tuckers? Whoa. Look at you. You got more things to talk about? Oh, goodness. You want to talk some more?
I love to giggle.
Hi, Annie. Oh! Wow! That's wild.
You're going to kick your little socks right off.